Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live, and today we have for you the BMW M2. So, if you're like me and ever wondered what a BMW M2 was all about, let's get inside this bad boy and check it out. Right, start up the car. Love that sound from the exhaust every time you start this car up. Really nice little gurgle there. Okay, let's take a look at the dash. Standard BMW stuff here from a 2017 car. This car currently is for sale, and it's going to offer you 370 brake horsepower from a 2017 DCT M2 BMW. That is a lot of performance for a little car. Right, standard iDrive control in this car, as you can see. All your usual BMW stuff. If we look at the seats, they are M seats, and you can see it's M embroidered there as well. Nice comfortable leather seats, really good support here, and also leg support as well, so you can extend that a little bit there as well. Very nice. All right, cup holders in the middle, DCT transmission. It's got your different modes here, sport mode, comfort mode, sport plus mode, and then sport, and then back down to comfort. There's no normal mode on this car because, let's face it, there's nothing normal about this car. Paddle shifters, of course, so it's a dual clutch, so you can go full manual on this beast. And everything else you would expect from a M car. But this is just not any M car. You get 4 people in here. This is one of the ultimate M cars, should I say. And in a minute, I'm going to show you exactly why. Right, first thing is that note, that engine note is just so gorgeous. I mean, BMW definitely got it spot on when it came to designing that engine note on this car. Love it. So, all things good so far. Right, going to take it a little bit easy for a while because we're in a 30 zone here. And of course we obey the guidelines at all times. These seats are great as well. I mean, I'm 6'2". Yeah, I could do with losing a few pounds, but I fit really nicely there, and it doesn't feel uncomfortable or anything like that. It just feels like it was built for me, actually. But right, we'll get off this road in a bit, and then we can see if we can open this baby up a little bit. Right, dual clutch gearbox in this car, so everything switches nicely. You can just feel it already. I mean, it's a hard ride, but you just feel this car is not comfortable crawling around. This car wants to get going. And when it gets going, it wants to get going very, very quickly. So when these cars came out brand new, I think they started in around 2016. These were, yeah, they were very expensive cars back in the day. But second-hand value now, boy, I mean, M cars. If you're looking for an M car, you've got to consider this one. A lot of people have been going on about this is the very best of all M cars that are coming out right now. If you want that drivability and that feel, and getting back to basics when you're talking about M powered cars. And already I can feel this car likes to hang on to the road. Let's give it a little bit more, shall we? There's a lot of power there. A lot of power. 370 brake horsepower in a car that doesn't weigh that much. It's not that big. The handling, God, it sticks to the ground. I mean, I've had a few Lotuses in my time, and this thing ain't going nowhere, mate, I'm telling you. Right, what mode have we got this in right now? Let's put it up to Sport Plus, shall we? And already this thing is growling at you. And I've just noticed that the DST is off on this car as well, so it's nice and dry outside, but of course it's not my car, so let's try and put that traction control back on, shall we? There you go. Oh, I wish you could hear what I can hear here. This is great. This thing's mental, man. It sounds gorgeous. All them pops and everything, that's like standard, man. It's crazy when you think about, you know, this is how you get it.
It's not been set up or like tuned or anything, it's just factory.
I think it's factory, yeah. Wow. I mean, what mode have I got it in? Sport now.
Oh, that's it. You hear the difference immediately when you go to sport. Yeah. The exhaust just like kicks in with it.
And then you put it in Sport Plus and it just gets mental.
It's the inside of suspension as well.
Yeah, I mean you can feel it. I mean you can hear it. You can feel it. It's hard anyway. Let's face it. Comfort isn't comfort.
Yeah, but you don't buy one of these cars for comfort though, do you? It's like a big go-kart basically. Isn't it?
It definitely is. I mean it's almost back to the original kind of M cars. Yeah, do you know what I mean? The money what you spend to be like.
This sounds amazing. When you come up to like 4,000 there, it just starts to howl, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm not going to scare you too much here because, as you know, it's not my model.
That's the good with these like modern sports cars, so you can use them every day, and then you can like press a few buttons and it turns it into like mad mode, and you can have some fun around the country.
Or track days. Or
track days, yeah.
But the Germans are good at that, aren't they? Let's face it. You know, a lot of their cars are set up like that way, especially the M cars, because they make them to be driven on the track.
Exactly, yeah.
And a lot of Mercedes as well. Yeah. The AMG settings and stuff. Yeah.
It's just like going back to racing heritage when you get into BMW M2. I mean, even just from the driving position, a lot of the Audis and stuff get close, but you get into a BMW, that driving position, that low, like you're sitting on the chassis, leaning back, heavy steering. It's like proper racing. I mean, this car, I've noticed as well, there's no electronics when it comes to the seating. So everything is you know, you set the car on the seat manually. You know, it's got the levers, there's no buttons, there's no electronics there. And I guess that's weight saving as well, isn't it? Yeah, it could be, yeah, for sure. It's got 2 seats in the back as well. It's not like totally unpractical.
No. And I looked in the boot earlier on, and you know, it's almost as much as my 3 Series. You know, so it's you're not losing. I mean, this is as practical as my 3 Series.
Yeah.
But just with 370 brake horsepower.
That's ridiculous.
Chassis,
yeah, no weight in it, I guess. It's just kind of. It's got a massive set of boots on it. don't they?
Yeah, I mean, there's that M braking system, isn't it? It just wants to get going, doesn't it?
Yeah, that M stands for a big smile, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, I think the 0 to 60 is, I think it's around 4 seconds, I think, you know, so...
It's not slow, is it really?
No.
No, for an everyday car.
No, exactly. Oh, it's a beast, man. Look, it doesn't even want to change up.
Yeah, it's just staying there, it's driving on. You don't even need sport mode, do you?
I think I'm in sport, but not sport plus.
Oh, you got the sport plus and see all that.
I think that's when the traction control decides to turn itself off.
Yeah, but you're right. You got it right, but come on, you got to turn that bad boy on. Let's listen to the exhaust.
Well, I think we'll hear it better from the outside, to be honest with you, mate. So if I pop you here.
Yeah.
So like, I've just dropped my friend Steve-O off. Thank you, Steve-O, for helping me do some of those drive-by shots. The M2, God, what can I say? I mean, if you like that pure and utter drive and feel connected to the road, then this is the car, I'm telling you. And the fact that these cars are second hand now, you could get yourself a real bargain out there. This car is currently for sale, so check out the link in the description, Auto Group and RB, and you get more details about the car there. But oh, out of 10, my God, this thing is a beast, an absolute raw beast. It's like an analog M car. Is it the best M car out there? Well, you know, this journey with Cars of Sweden Live is going to take me to different places with different M cars, so I can't really say that now, but marks out of 10. This is as close to a 10 as you're ever going to get. I love this car. Absolutely love it. I love the way it looks, I love the way it sounds, I love the way it feels. It is a driver's car. So, BMW M2 2017, 370 brake horsepower. So I hope you all enjoyed the video today. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden Live.